Look, these two are always behind me, and this one is so hungry. And also, I have devil chicks. They are just 3 months old, and I'm going to see you. Look, this is so cute. One of my best pets, you can say also. It has two siblings, and this one is cock and this one is hen. Will be after 3 months later, they will be adult. Okay, so look, he biting me. He is so hungry. Look, she wanna. Sorry. Oh my God! Look how beautiful he is. How I feed my chicks. Now I'm going to see you. Oh, look. Oh my God! He's biting. Wait. Now I'm going to feed you. Wait. I have another. I have almost 6. Get down here. This is the case. Here is the case. Now I'm going to show you. Look, it's too many. I'm going to show you. Look, they're too hungry. And this one is. Ooh, oh my God! Oh my God! Ow! Ouch! Look. So it's evening. I should not give them too much food right now, because if their belly is full, so they will not come home. That's why I have to give them a small amount of food. Okay, now I'm going to show you my chicks, which is the owl. Look how cute. Look at this, so cute. Okay, I'm going to release. Boom. I have 14 chicks here. Look at this.